Hello, welcome to 3D Printing with Wayne. Today we're going to print another one of these little articulated dragons. This is one of the earlier things I printed on my Bambu Lab H2C printer. I really like it. He's very flexible. I printed him in yellow, which is mostly on the bottom, and his eyes, and then turquoise on the top. I think the yellow and turquoise looked really nice, but we got this Bambu Lab's PLA silk that's called Midnight Blaze. It's a red and blue, and if you're interested in ordering some, the filament code is 13902. So we're going to print another one in this filament today. So let's move on and see how he turns out. Now it's the next day, and first I'm going to show you the video of how he was built. So let's watch that. I speeded it up about 100 times so it don't take much time. Alright, let's move on from watching him getting built. This start out with, this is the purge tower. Didn't waste much vinyl at all. I did color his belly orange. I thought that would be a nice little addition. And I colored his eyes yellow, which gave me a third color. But that Midnight Blaze filament from Bambu Labs, I think that was a good choice for this little guy. I think it adds a little bit of more mystery instead of just the turquoise color that I had before. And unfortunately I can't show you the turquoise articulated dragon that I printed before, because I went to visit my mom yesterday and I took it over there and she decided that it needed to stay at her house, so I don't have that one anymore. Total length here, just over 16 inches, about 16, well, maybe 16¼ inches long, tip to tail, and he is very flexible. I like that, and now I'm going to show you some close-up pictures of him. So that's it for this articulated dragon print. I really wish you'd do all the things for me. This is a really new channel. We're just getting started. And I'd really appreciate it if you do all the things. You know, click like, comment, subscribe, share, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It really does help us. It doesn't cost you anything. So at this time, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting 3D Printing with Wayne. And we hope you have a great 3D day.